News of this second vaccine comes after the deadliest 24 hours yet here in the U.S. Hospitals, of course, are crushed. And tonight, the doctors and nurses who describe what it's like when you have patients struggling, suddenly going into cardiac arrest, one after the other. Here's our chief national correspondent, Matt Gupman, on that part of the story tonight.
Tonight, the predictions of a dark winter, now a grim reality. In the last 24 hours, the pandemic's deadliest day, more than 3,600 fatalities. Among the multitude was Jennifer Mendoza, a mother of 4 from Grapevine, Texas, who died on her 34th birthday.
The kindest person ever.
Admitted to the hospital 2 months ago, just after giving birth to her baby, she never got to see her family again.
Her kids were everything to her. Until her last moment, she still kept fighting for them.
The CDC now predicting as many as 82,000 more deaths in the next 3 weeks. And California is now the nation's epicenter, nearly 150,000 cases just the past 3 days. Doctors at this hospital in Apple Valley say they're in a war zone.
I noticed that you wear combat boots.
Yes.
Why?
This is combat. This is combat.
And throughout Southern California, there are now 0 ICU beds available, forcing agonizing decisions.
You have to pick which one of your patients has the best chances of making it. And that's one you're going to have to give most of your care to.
On stretcher after stretcher, patients lining the ER hallways, some dying while waiting for a hospital bed.
This morning, we had 3 code blues at the same time. You know, one of our doctors went up and ran those codes.
Meaning people were having a cardiac arrest?
Cardiac arrest, no pulse. And
that's another one right now.
That's a never-ending story.
Horrible scene from inside that hospital tonight. Matt with us. He's live at a testing site tonight. And Matt, of course, those chilling scenes in the hospital. 11 straight days now of record numbers of Americans being taken to the hospital across the country. And as we head into Christmas week, I know authorities, not only where you are in California, but really across this country, are really concerned given what we're just now seeing after so many gathered for Thanksgiving.
And the numbers that are increasing are largely being driven, David, by the rising percentage of people testing positive at lines like this. That means that the numbers that we've been seeing skyrocket will continue to skyrocket. And some incredibly dire predictions out of Los Angeles area hospitals that are already at capacity, that they're predicting that by early January, the number of patients they have will double or even triple. David.
Well, we thank all those doctors and nurses you've talked to. Matt, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.